Hey everyone, I am Divya from RPIT Campus Karnal. Today we are going to study about nutraceuticals. What actually the nutraceuticals are? They are made from two words. One is nutrition and other is pharmaceuticals. It means the pharmaceutical substances which contain nutrition are nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals are the food or parts of the food which provide nutrition and they prevent the diseases and boost the immunity system. So let's start with nutraceuticals.
Let the food be your medicine, and medicine be the food. It was advocated by Greek physician Hippocrates. He is also known as father of medicine. Hippocrates focused on good eating habit. He said that balanced diet prevents diseases. The same nutraceuticals are the substances which helps in preventing diseases and helps in boosting of immunity. So, dear students, as you know that the nutrients are very useful for our body. They help in the growth and development of the body. Some of the nutraceuticals that you have studied earlier in your classes are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. But some of the nutrients are essential nutrients, which is required for our body to protect our health. They prevent the diseases and they boost the immunity. These substances are health food and they are called as nutraceuticals. It was an old proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But it can be replaced by a new proverb, a nutraceutical a day keeps the doctor away. Means taking nutraceutical in a day, it prevents us from the diseases. Actually, the nutraceuticals they are globally famous. In developed countries and in developing countries, people are taking nutraceuticals in their daily diet. In pandemic COVID-19, people has focused on nutraceuticals. The reason behind is these foods help in prevention of disease and they are boosting the immunity. In other countries, nutraceuticals are known from various names like dietary supplements, functional foods, multifunctional foods, and the health benefit is very important for people. Dear students, nutraceuticals can be categorized into two types. One is conventional nutraceuticals, and second is established nutraceuticals. Conventional nutraceuticals are the nutraceuticals in which we take herbs in our raw form. It includes ginger, turmeric, lemon, honey, fenugreek. These all are nutraceuticals and they improve our health. And in case of established nutraceuticals, we include Chyawanprash, Bonvita, Horlicks, confectionery products, probiotic curd, baby foods. These all are nutraceuticals. Here, look into the slide. You can see some of the health benefits of nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals have antioxidant property as they can delay the aging by, by scavenging free radicals. Nutraceuticals can prevent chronic diseases like cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Moreover, they help in vital function of our body. They improve the metabolism of the body and they boost the immunity of our body and make the body healthy. As I told you that nutraceutical have antioxidant property. Here some of the drugs are listed which have the antioxidant properties. These all the herbs you take in your daily diet as well. These are carrots, garlic, lemon, tomato, apple, turmeric, onion, green tea. So they all are very important for our health. They contain some of the active constituents, like in lemon there is hesperidine, in tomato there is lycopene. They are very useful as antioxidant for our body. The next benefit of nutraceutical is they act as probiotic and prebiotic action. So I'll tell you what the probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the bacteria which are present in our intestine. They are helpful for our gut health. And prebiotics are the food for probiotics. Here, some of the substances which we take in our diet, they act as probiotic and prebiotics. In prebiotics, we can include garlic, onion, banana, wheat. These all are prebiotics, and they are the food of bacteria. These bacteria are obtained from sour cream, yogurt, probiotic milk, and many other substances. I would like to give you an example of probiotic. Have you heard about Yakult, a drink? The drink Yakult is used as probiotic. It improves our gut flora and helps in the digestion of food. It helps in increasing the metabolic function, and they normalizes our intestine. Moreover, they improves the immunity of our body by killing bad bacterias, bad flora, which is present in our intestine. So they are very important for health. Here are some of the marketed preparation of prebiotic, which includes inulin and lactulose. These are non-digestible substances which are beneficial for probiotics. Now, coming towards the classification of nutraceuticals, we can classify nutraceuticals into three types. One is functional food, second is functional beverages, and third is dietary supplements. In functional food, nutraceutical are obtained from Chyawanprash, Bonvita, Horlicks, confectionery products like biscuits. Example is digestive biscuit, which contains high fibers, and these fibers are important for cleaning of intestine. Baby foods like Cerelac and milk powder. Second, we come to the functional beverages. It includes energy drinks, sports drink, fortified juices. These juices and drinks include taste as well as vitamins and minerals. Example is Red Bull. The last classification of nutraceutical is dietary supplements. Dietary supplements include vitamins, minerals, herbal supplements, sports nutrients, and proteins. These all are included in dietary supplements. We can take vitamin capsules, vitamin C tablets, as we also used and taken in our COVID 19, which prevents us from the attack of coronavirus. These all are included in the dietary supplements. So, that was all about the health benefits and classification of nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals, they have become very popular in developed and developing countries. The market of the nutraceutical has increased so much because people have become aware. They have come to know that the in our daily diet we have to take nutrition properly so that we can fight properly against the diseases. So that was all about the nutraceuticals. Hope you have understand well. Thanks for patience for listening. Thank you one and all.